How to use Uber driver app in Tesla. Turn on your Tesla and access the main touchscreen display. On the Tesla screen, navigate to the app section and open the Uber driver integration feature. Log into your Uber driver account by entering your credentials to link your account to the Tesla system. Once connected, your available Uber trip requests will show up directly on the Tesla display. Use the Tesla's navigation system, which automatically receives trip pickup and drop off locations from Uber. Accept rides using your phone as usual, since the Tesla system currently supports navigation but not trip acceptance. After accepting a ride on your phone, the Tesla will help guide you using its built-in GPS and autopilot features if enabled. The app will also factor in your Tesla's battery level, also only showing trips that are within your current driving range. Using the Tesla full driving capabilities cautiously with Uber rides to provide a smooth and safe ride while staying ready to take control. When a ride finishes, end the trip within the Uber driver app on your phone and wait for the next ride request. Subscribe.